Christianity is not a religion of love and peace, as Christians would have you believe. Christianity is a religion of hatred, cowardice, bigotry, ignorance, and intolerance. Any moral person can read the Bible and see that it is a recipe for cruelty and oppression. I really don't understand how people today can put their faith in this horrible Bronze Age book. I really don't understand why so many surrender their freedom and their lives to Christianity, which is, in essence, a morbid death cult, you know? People need to understand that they only get one life, and it is a precious and fragile thing. Why waste your life in the service of falsehoods and superstition? Christianity has proved itself over many, many centuries to be the bringer of tyranny and misery. In the Western world of today, I think that Christianity remains the largest threat to freedom and democracy. They always think that they should get their way, Christians. And in spite of what some of them may say, the followers of Christ are in the habit of imposing their will, having their way, stealing the minds of children, breaking spirits, and of course, suppressing the truth. It takes a good deal of intelligence and courage to stand up against the Christian bully boys of this world. Unfortunately, not enough people are willing to stand up to the bully boys. You know, we secular, liberal and democratic folks, we need to do much better. We need to do much better in the future. Anyways, I think that's enough for now. Peace.